to finally meet you face to face. I had a really nice conversation with you earlier, and depending on that, I've already made some choices for fabrics and styles that I'm going to be offering you today. I think that you have made a right decision to go ahead and order a custom suit with a shirt from us, and I will do my best to give you the best customer service, and I'm going to be here throughout the whole process to help you out. Alright? And I do see here that you have listened to my request. I really appreciate that, and more, you're wearing your favorite shirt. Alright, well, let me take a look at it. And if you don't mind, I'll come closer to you, okay? And the reason why I usually suggest my clients or customers to wear some of their favorite clothes for the measure time, for the consultation time, is just so that I will look at the style and the design that you like. I need to see your preferences in different details, such as stitching, the textures, how you prefer your clothes to sit and fit you, what type of buttons you prefer, what kind of color you like to wear. So all that adds up and gives me a better idea of what I can do to please you better with your new suit. Okay? Let me just take a look in the bag right here. Okay. Well, this is some beautiful fabric here, and I really like the stitching here as well. And I can tell that you like very figure-fitting clothes, correct? Alright. I really like that. Okay. And just looking at your body type, I can already give you some heads up, and I can actually offer you already some types of a certain fit that would be best for your figure. But first of all, the reason why you would want to have a custom suit, custom shirt, is pretty simple, and